In this video, we will talk about backpropagation. Suppose we made a model which have to predict dog, cat, and monkey. So after the forward propagation, we have to we send the actual image as a dog, but our model predicts that it is a cat. It is simply means our prediction is wrong. So it is simply means we have some loss in our models. So to find that loss, we have many types of loss functions. So we will talk about that types of loss function. We will talk about in some other videos. So let's suppose loss function formula we have 1 by 2 y minus y hat whole square. Y hat is nothing but our predicted value. Y hat is nothing but our predicted value. So to reduce this loss, to find the correct value that will classify our image as a dog, we have to reduce this loss. So in that case, to reduce that loss, we have something known as optimizers. We have something known as optimizers. In that case also we have type of optimizers like one of his gradient descent, and second one is SGD, third one is mini batch SGD, fourth one is AutoGrad, and many. So for now we are using gradient descent. So in gradient descent it will perform two actions. One is to update the weights value, and second one is to update the bias values. So to update the weight values we have a formula. We have a formula, this weight new equals to weight old minus eta derivative of loss with respect to derivative of old weights. So weight old is nothing but is our old weight. It will be our new weight which will calculate it, and this is a derivative and this is the learning rate. Learning rate, the value is lies between 0 to 1. We can say that this is nothing but is our m. M is nothing but slope. So in our 11th or 12th classes we already studied at what is slope. So now our slope, the value, can we say that our slope value can be both positive or negative, positive or negative. So for the positive part, if our derivative is positive, then our initial point, let's suppose our initial point is something here. And if our so the if the derivative of that is positive, so let's see the formula. W nu equals to may, this has positive sign, so here will be positive. If has negative, negative, and if our derivative is positive, so it will be minus, minus sign, and gradient is will be always this is to with respect to weights and loss. So can we say that our weight value will be decrease than our old weights? So our W nu will be smaller than our old weight. It means our weight will go this side. So it is directly means our weight is decreasing and it will reach there. It is known as global minima point. At a global minima point, our loss will be very become, it will be very a low value. We can say our loss will become zero in that case. So now the main thing is that how we can calculate our this derivative. For the derivative, we have something known as chain rule. Now, chain rule is a thing. Chain rule is a type of calculation that we can say that it will help us to find this derivative. So if I go and now see in our back propagation, we have to update this value first, then this value, then this, then this, then this. We have to update all these weights. So according to the chain rule, our derivative of loss, sorry, our derivative of loss with respect to derivative of W old will be equal to uh, del L by W6. And can we say that our weight 6 is already depend on W6 on W1? So it will be depend on derivative of W1. It will also derivative. So it is our first part. See, we have this cycle, this we have this cycle. After that also we have this cycle, we have this cycle. So similarly for that we can write over here plus derivative of loss with respect to derivative of our W7 multiply when our W7 is already depend on W5 del L by del W7 is depend on L W5, and similarly inside this also we have this and we have this. So it will be a second cycle. It will be third cycle, and this and this. Similarly, at this and at this. So similarly, we can write our derivative of loss with respect to derivative of old. And we can see that W6 can be cancelled by del W6, del W7 will be calculated by del W7. Similarly, it will cancel out all these values and it will become equal to derivative of loss with respect to derivative of old. So in our, it is all about a negative. And if I talk about a positive, if our derivative will become a positive, it will become a negative value. And if our derivative of loss with respect to w with derivative of negative, so in that case we can say we have to check signs of our w new, how it react according to our derivative with negative sign. So w old has a positive weight, positive sign, it will become positive. Now minus learning rate, let's say our learning rate is 0.01, positive value. It will be our learning rate, it will always be a positive value. And our derivative of loss with respect to w old is all minus, and minus, it will become positive. So can we say that our weight new will become, weight new will become greater than our old weights, because here we are summation of all these values. It will become positive in case of if our derivative is negative. So we are adding some values in our old value. So W new will become greater. So in that case, if we check our gradient descent, the initial value will become this side. So in our back propagation, it will similarly it will work in that case, but here it will it will become, it will reach our global minima with something like this, and it will reach our global minima here. Similarly, it will work for all these our weights bias, and bias updation formula will be same like this. If we have a weight updation formula like this, and it will become for bias new equal to bias old minus learning rate derivative of loss with respect to derivative of old bias. So it will be become our bias updation formula. Similarly, in our back propagation, it will calculate all the bias, it will calculate our all the weights, then it will do our forward propagation again, and then it will give our outputs. So maybe in our neural network we have to perform many back propagation and many forward propagation to get the good accuracy. So this is all about back propagation. Thank you so much.